When you look up outside, what do you see? The sky. You might see clouds or birds or even a plane. But what if we go past the sky? What do you see? Space. So let's get our space helmets and head on to look at our galaxy. At night, we can see hundreds of stars and sometimes even some of the planets in our solar system. Yep, that's right, there are 7 other planets in the solar system besides the planet we call home. All the planets orbit around a big ball of very hot gas called the Sun. The Sun is yellow and very bright. The Sun is so large that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside of it. The sun gives us warmth every day, but make sure to wear sunscreen when you're going outside in the sun. You don't want to get sunburned, because this is what it really looks like. Mercury is the first planet closest to the sun. It doesn't rotate, so the side of the planet that sees the sun, or the day side, can get up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. The side of the planet that faces away from the sun, or the night side, can get all the way down to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. The color of Mercury is gray, but upon closer look, it can actually look like this. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It's also the hottest planet with a temperature reaching 900 degrees. It rotates the slowest and also rotates backwards. One trip around the sun only takes 255 days. Also, Venus is the color yellow, which can be seen by this photograph. Earth, our home planet, is the third planet from the sun. It's a rocky planet that nearly 3/4 is covered in water. This is called the ocean. It takes 365 days to orbit the sun. That is how long 1 year takes. Earth is the only known planet to support life, like you and me, and the trees and all the animals. Mars, the red planet, is sometimes visible from Earth when it orbits close enough to us. Its bright red color comes from the abundance of iron oxide and rust on its surface. Even though Mars is only about half the size of Earth, the largest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is found on Mars. It is 69,000 feet tall, making it more than 2 times bigger than Mount Everest, the largest mountain on Earth. Up close, Mars can look like this. Jupiter is the 5th closest planet from the Sun. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and it's so big that you could fit 1,000 Earths inside of it. It also has 67 moons, while the Earth only has 1. Jupiter looks like a striped planet with 1 giant spot on it. That spot is a big storm that has lasted as long as humans have ever been able to look at this planet, maybe even longer. In real life, this is what Jupiter looks like. The 6th planet from the Sun is Saturn, and is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. Saturn weighs about the same as 100 Earths, with rings made from millions of ice crystals, all which are different sizes. Some are as small as a speck of dust, and others are as big as a house. Saturn is brown-yellow in color, and is a small rocky core made up of gas. It also has 52 discovered moons, and some even as big as other planets. In space, Saturn will look like this.
Uranus is an icy blue planet named after the Roman god of the sky because its atmosphere is so full of methane, a gas that reflects blue light. Uranus is an oddball planet that spins at a 98-degree angle. This means that Uranus spins almost sideways. No other planet is nearly as tilted as Uranus. For reference, Earth's spin is only 23 degrees. This is what Uranus looks like in space.
Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. Although we cannot see them, Neptune has rings just like Saturn. On Neptune, it rains diamonds. If we could go to Neptune and collect the rain, we'd be rich. Neptune is a dark blue color and is very cold. This is what it really looks like. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and named after the Roman god of the sky. Uranus is the 7th.
Please just say Uranus then. Just say Uranus.
Yeah, just say.
Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is named after the Roman god of the sky. Uranus. Oh, I can't.
Just say Uranus. You know.